front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app and then selecting Pictures or Albums at the bottom. When you find the section from which you want to delete your photos, just hold one and then click on All at the top left corner to select all of those right away. Or if you want to pick ones only from chosen section, click on the same icon at the top left corner of a chosen one. In my case, yesterday. Now, to keep some of your photos, slide your finger across them. And to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. It also works from one of your albums. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!